Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you can link Stripe on your Shopify store. So let's jump right into it. After your store is created, go to the Settings option on the bottom left of your Shopify dashboard. From here, select Payments. Under the Payments section, click on Choose a Provider. Now look for Stripe in the list and click on it. This will redirect you to Stripe's connection setup. If you already have a Stripe account, simply sign in. If not, just enter your email to start creating one. Click Continue and set a password to move ahead. Stripe will ask for a few details like your business type, legal information, date of birth, phone number, business name, and statement description. For authentication, you can choose to verify using an authenticator app, security key, or receive an SMS verification code. Once all the information is filled in, Stripe will automatically connect and redirect you back to Shopify. That's it. Stripe is now active on your Shopify store and ready to accept payments.